This isn't a restored truck, it's a 1955 legend reborn with V8 fury, modern muscle, and luxury you'd never expect from a pickup. Beneath the soft glow of metallic light blue paint sits a machine that refuses to stay in the past. This is the 1955 Ford F-100 Pickup Restomod, a fusion of vintage American workhorse spirit and modern performance engineering, built not just to be seen, but to be remembered every time it fires to life. At its heart lies a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 engine, an unexpected but powerful twist in a classic Ford chassis. It breathes through a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, delivering raw fuel with precision and aggression, while an Edelbrock intake manifold optimizes airflow for a stronger, more responsive pull through every gear. This isn't gentle nostalgia, it's controlled chaos wrapped in classic steel. Power flows through a TH353 speed automatic transmission, known for its durability and smooth shifting, making the truck feel far more modern than its 1955 origins would suggest. A transmission cooler keeps temperatures under control even under demanding drives, ensuring reliability when the road stretches long and the throttle stays open. Out back, a Currie open rear end with a 3.001 gear ratio delivers relaxed cruising capability, allowing this vintage pickup to glide effortlessly at highway speeds. Every movement is refined. Power rack and pinion steering replaces the old mechanical effort with precise, modern control. Power brakes with front disc conversion bring confident stopping power, transforming this classic truck into something that behaves more like a contemporary performance vehicle than a relic of the past. An electric fan setup keeps temperatures stable, while air conditioning brings unexpected comfort into a cabin that once knew only simplicity. The stance is unmistakable. Cragar wheels anchor the build with timeless muscle car attitude, wrapped in 235/60/15 tires in the front and wider 255/60/15 rubber at the rear. It sits with purpose, balance between nostalgia and aggression. Its body tells the story of careful craftsmanship. The light blue metallic exterior paint reflects like polished glass under sunlight, highlighting every curve of its steel front fenders, steel rear fenders, and steel running boards. The tilt-forward hood reveals the mechanical heart of the build, like a stage lifting its curtain. At the rear, an oak wood bed floor adds warmth and authenticity, contrasting beautifully with the truck's cool-toned exterior. Even the firewall is finished cleanly, showing that nothing here was left untouched or overlooked underneath. The transformation becomes even more serious. A Mustang II-style independent front suspension modernizes the ride, giving this classic truck agility and control that its original engineers could never have imagined. A painted custom frame forms the backbone of the build, reinforced with new brake lines and a new fuel tank for reliability and safety. A dual exhaust system runs clean and new, hinting at the deep V8 soundtrack waiting to be unleashed inside, and the transformation becomes personal. The custom blue interior wraps around the driver with a cohesive, color-matched dashboard and refined detailing throughout. Blue carpeting softens the cabin, while custom door panels and a custom headliner elevate the experience beyond utility. A banjo steering wheel mounted on a tilt steering column adds a nostalgic touch, but it feels completely at home in this reimagined environment. A center console with cup holders brings practicality into the mix, proving this truck was built to be driven, not just displayed. And with air conditioning integrated into the cabin, comfort is no longer a luxury. It's standard. This 1955 Ford F-100 Restomod is not just a restoration. It is a reinvention. A machine where old-world character meets modern engineering without compromise. From its Chevrolet V8 heartbeat to its custom blue interior glow, every detail exists for one purpose: to turn every drive into an experience that feels both timeless and unforgettable.